Question and answer solution of previous year subject Mechanical Engineering. Paper code PEME 701. A. Automobile Engineering. 1. A. What are the applications, advantages, and disadvantages of air cooling system? B. What is crankcase Venlon and how it is achieved in automobile engines? Answer. Air cooling systems are commonly used in small engines like motorcycles, lawnmowers, and small generators. They're simple, cost-effective, lightweight, and reliable, but less efficient than liquid cooling, especially in larger engines. These systems can be noisy and bulky, and their performance can vary depending on environmental conditions. Crankcase ventilation is the process of removing gases from the engine's crankcase, which are caused by combustion, blow-by, and evaporated oil vapors. It prevents pressure buildup and oil contamination. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system is the most common method, directing gases back into the intake manifold for combustion. This helps maintain cleaner engine oil, reduces emissions, and improves engine efficiency. 2. A. What is the purpose of ignition system, and what are the types of ignition systems? B. Explain with the help of a neat diagram of conventional Berry ignition system. C. Write advantages and disadvantages of magneto-ignition system. Answer. The ignition system in an engine is responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture, ensuring efficient combustion. It uses a high-voltage spark at the right time to optimize engine performance, fuel efficiency, and reduce emissions. There are several types of ignition systems. Battery ignition system uses a 12-volt battery and components like the ignition coil and distributor. Magneto-ignition system generates electricity through magnetic induction, often used in small engines. Transistorized ignition system enhances battery ignition with transistors for better performance. Electronic ignition system uses sensors and control modules to precisely manage spark timing. Capacitor discharge ignition (CDI) stores energy in a capacitor for high-speed ignition, ideal for motorcycles and small engines. In the conventional battery ignition system, the battery provides power to the ignition coil, which steps up the voltage and directs it to the spark plugs. The distributor ensures the spark reaches the correct plug at the right time. The magneto-ignition system is self-powered, making it lightweight and cost-effective, but its spark power and timing are less precise compared to battery systems. It's perfect for small engines, but less suitable for high-speed or high-performance applications. 3. Discuss various factors of wheel alignment with suitable diagram. Answer. Wheel alignment refers to adjusting a vehicle's suspension to ensure the wheels are properly aligned according to the manufacturer's specifications. This helps improve handling, reduce tire wear, and keep the vehicle driving straight. Key factors in wheel alignment include camber, the angle of the wheels relative to the vertical. Positive camber leans the top of the tire outward, while negative camber leans it inward for better cornering. Toe, the angle of the tires viewed from above. Toe in keeps the front of the tires closer, while toe out improves cornering but causes more tire wear. Caster, the steering axis tilt when viewed from the side. Positive caster improves stability, while negative caster can reduce it. Kingpin inclination, KPI, the angle of the steering axis from the front, ensuring stability and proper tire contact. Thrust angle, the angle between the rear axle and vehicle centerline. Misalignment can cause the vehicle to pull to one side. 4. A. Briefly describe torque tube type propeller shaft with suitable diagram. B. Briefly describe Hotchkiss type propeller shaft with suitable diagram. Answer. The torque tube type propeller shaft is used in vehicles and aircraft to transmit power from the engine to the propeller or wheels. It encases the propeller shaft in a rigid tube, providing support and reducing vibrations. The shaft inside is supported by bearings for smooth rotation. This system offers high rigidity and additional protection, reducing wear and tear. The Hotchkiss-type propeller shaft is commonly found in rear-wheel drive vehicles. It uses a single propeller shaft with U-joints at both ends to transmit torque from the engine to the differential. The U-joints allow for angular movement, accommodating changes in the driveline. This system is simple, durable, and cost-effective, but can cause slight vibrations at higher speeds. It's mainly used in rear-wheel drive vehicles, limiting its application in other configurations. 5. A. Explain the working of single-plate clutch with the help of suitable diagram. B. Explain with the help of neat sketch constant mesh gearbox. Answer. The constant mesh gearbox is a manual transmission system where all gears are permanently meshed, allowing for smoother engagement and disengagement without manual gear meshing. When a driver selects a gear, a sliding dog clutch locks the selected gear to the corresponding shaft, transferring power to the wheels. Synchronizer rings ensure smooth shifts by matching the speed of the gears. This system is durable, prevents gear clash, and allows for smoother shifts, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. However, it has a complex design and adds weight to the system.